Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about one of the most famous princes in the fairy tale Rupanzel. Rupanzel is a kind, brave and beautiful prince who is best known for her incredibly long golden hairs. Her hair is magical and can grow to an amazing length, making her different from everyone else. According to the famous fairy tale, Rupanzel spent many years in a tall tower. She was raised away from the outside world and dreamed of the exploring new places and have exciting
One of the
adventures.
most special thing about Rapunzel is her golden beautiful hair. In many versions of the story, her hair has magical power. It shines brightly and is often used to help others. Her long hair has become one of the most recognizable feature of any fairy tale princess. What makes Rapunzel is not just her magical hair but also have courage. She teaches that it is important to be brave, believe in other else selves and never stop dreaming. And that's the story of the Rapunzel, the princess with the magical golden hair, a kind heart and love of adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing fairy tales. See you in the next video.